My little dream. There is a thought that always makes my heart feel light and warm. I come back to it often, like a gentle reminder of the kind of peace I long for. I have always wanted to write it down, to keep it close and never let it slip away. I dream of sitting in a quiet, scenic place, surrounded by tall, whispering trees. The world around me is hushed except for the sweet chirping of birds and the gentle hum of nature in full bloom. There is a soft breeze brushing against my skin, carrying the scent of leaves and flowers. Everything feels alive yet calm. I'm sitting comfortably on a pale blue-green sheet spread over the grass. I am wearing a simple t-shirt and jeans with a small cozy backpack beside me, and my book rests in my hands. My current read along with a colorful pen, a highlighter, some sticky notes, and a fabric book pouch that makes me smile every time I see it. As I read, I'm not chasing immersed, lost in the pages, yet just present with the beauty around me. I'm simply there with my seat for myself, and that's enough. So this is our story for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. English time with Mr. Skay.